department spent almost £44,000 on takeaways from Bong Bong Manila Canteen, with a K. Is that true? And if so, how can you justify that amount of money?
I can absolutely justify feeding people who are working 18 hours a day to keep you and everybody else in this country safe. You know, my team in the department have been unbelievable. A combination of, my civil servants who've been there from the start, and NHS colleagues and military colleagues. You know, there was one point when one of the floors of my department had people from the logistics brigade in uniform moving testing capabilities around the country, working on the logistics, and the private sector. Absolutely brilliant teamwork. And when people are working 18 hours a day, often 7 days a week in the middle of a pandemic, of course I'm going to feed them. It's probably the best value for money food that you can get in terms of allowing people to work so hard to tackle this virus, and I'm really proud of all the work.
How reassuring. And yet, free school meals for kids over the holidays was too much of a stretch for this government.
Well, actually, the Education Secretary made an announcement about that, and we have been able to support people. We are going to be able to support people throughout the Christmas holidays. When you have a team working hard, you need to support them, absolutely.
Yeah, that was a U-turn after a lot more pressure from a certain Marcus Rashford and a campaign by members of the public. That's in